Everybody's searching for that everything token, the one that does everything. Guys, I have found it. Now, if you stay to the end of this video, you're going to have all the information you need about a token that is everything we have been looking for. But guys, disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for education purposes only. So let's get straight into it. So here it is, x-v.io. Please use the link underneath this video. Okay, this is the everything token. It's XV. This token utility token for all the things Web3, from gaming, ecosystem, Telegram trading bot, community, rev share, serves the core bridge that allows users to interact with Web3 without barriers. I told you it's got everything. Again, the contract for ETH is here. Okay, please only use the link underneath to get here. Do not try and type this in. That would be stupid. Okay, learn more about them. We're going to learn more right now. So with XV, the possibilities are limitless. Okay, it's one token for absolutely everything. It's the utility token for an ecosystem that's gotten bigger and bigger and bigger and is about to become too big that I won't be able to explain it to you. Now, you've got to remember, if anybody has been following this project, they actually did 23 million market cap on their last launch. And they only started with 40K market cap. That's an 800x return. So what's to say they're not going to absolutely smash that record right now? Okay, some of their partners are huge trading platforms, CoinMarketCap, PancakeSwap, Uniswap, CoinMarketCap trading partners. Okay, it's incredible how well they are doing. So let's have a look at some of their utilities. They actually have 3 major utilities, and I will show you one of them that is live right now. So the TG Sniper Bot is a Telegram sniper bot currently in prototype beta mode and with a lot of revenue share and great utility for token holders. The users would actually have to hold on to an amount of XV tokens to use this bot. A portion of the fees generated from XV Sniper Bot will be distributed to the holders, which is absolutely fantastic. They have the Peak XV, which is a turn-based Web3 game that explores the challenges of Mount Everest. Players will have the opportunity to earn tokens with the NFTs by unlocking stages in the game. This, to me, is fantastic because not only do I get addicted to playing PlayStation all the time, but when somebody offers to pay me to do it, it just feels better. It feels like I'm not being lazy that day. And these actually guys are going to pay you to play games. Okay, and the one that is live right now, I'm actually going to show you. It's WebXV. Okay, this is it here. It's actually a super cool Web3 project that can connect you with other crypto enthusiasts. Now, they are going to onboard 1 billion users into this social platform. And I truly believe that that statement they've made is going to be a possibility, and they will probably be able to carry out that mission. So stay tuned to make sure you see if they actually do. Okay, some of the featured projects within this, you can see Axie Infinity's House of Degenerates, Decentraland, EV Coin, some of the biggest ones out there. Okay, they show you all the crypto chart, but guys, the main feature of this social platform is to connect us all together. Connect everybody into this. It's a $435 billion industry that they're tapping into, and I truly think that they have the power to make this the one that people go to. The everything we've been looking for, like I keep saying. So a bit more background on this. Who are they? They're a focused project led by a highly experienced team of Web3 builders and traders. The founder that made his name in the industry moderating several early crypto projects for the 2021 bull run, okay, and is also supported by several team members that are actively involved in the day-to-day running of the community. Okay, I'm going to show you their Twitter very, very soon. How do you actually buy the token? That's what you're all asking right now. You're all sitting there going, I don't want to hear you speak anymore. I want to know, how do I get involved with this everything token? Simple, create a wallet, download MetaMask. You'll see this little fox up in the top right. I do recommend MetaMask even if anybody says anything else. Okay, desktop users can simply do that. Get some ETH BNB. Okay, once you got some ETH or BNB in your wallet, simply swap it to XV. If you don't have enough ETH, you can buy it directly from MetaMask. How do you swap it? You go to PancakeSwap or Uniswap. Guys, if any of this is blowing your mind, just go on YouTube and search how to use PancakeSwap, how to use Uniswap. Okay, super easy. Swap your ETH or BNB for XV, and there you have it. Okay, there's a 5% tax, so you need to set up your slippage, little above 6%, and then you will have the token. The tokenomics behind this, okay, you've got the tax like I just spoke about, with 5% is applied on the buy and sells, and the supply, okay? It's got a total supply of 100 million XV, and it's a constant on each change. So an ample amount of the token supply somehow managed to find its way to the dead wallet, remaining locked into eternity. I really, really like that, okay? Their roadmap goes all the way through. Their roadmap, as you can see, going through phase 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Ending with releasing the second utility, which I'm super, super excited about, and getting engagement through the $1 billion onboarding that they're trying to do. Now let's have a look at their Twitter. Their Twitter, they have 40.5 thousand followers, and they've also just set up a subscription so you can get involved if you want. They joined in August 2021, so they're not new here. Okay, they have been doing, they got 8.2 thousand engagement on their posts, so people are watching this, people are ready for this to launch. So make sure you do give them a massive